The spindle lock locks your grinder's spindle so you can remove the flange nut to replace the grinding wheel or cutting disc. The metal pin engages with the hole in the spindle gear, locking the spindle in place. Over time, the pin can wear, causing it to slip out of the hole in the gear. If it is accidentally pressed while the grinder is running, it can be sheared off. Replacing the spindle lock is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by separating the two halves of the gear housing. Now remove the spindle lock pin. I'll place a small punch on the pin where it extends through the button. Depress the button. And use a hammer and the punch to tap the pin out. Now I can install the new spindle lock pin. I'll install the spindle lock pin into the housing. I've clamped a punch in my vise jaws. I'll rest the spindle lock pin on the punch. Now I'll install the spring and the button. And I'll tap the button in place with a rubber mallet. And now I'll reinstall the spindle assembly. I'll align the spindle assembly with the housing. You'll notice it's labeled front, and that goes to the front of the grinder. I'll tap it into place and secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new spindle lock on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.